Hello! Today we are making Hawaiian Shrimp Plate. Alright. So first, we have some water boiling. We're gonna go ahead and do our side dish with our Hawaiian Shrimp Plate, which is gonna be Hawaiian style macaroni salad. We're just gonna do a half cup of macaroni into our boiling water. According to the package, it says to boil it for 9 to 11 minutes or until desired tenderness. Okay, while our macaroni is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and work with our carrot. So this recipe calls for a little bit of carrot. I'm gonna go ahead, do a little rinse, and take our peeler. Go ahead and peel our carrot. And with our box grater, we're gonna take our tiny holes, pop that in. We're gonna go ahead and grate our carrot. Alright, so our shredded carrot is ready. And if you don't have a shredder, or if you don't feel like shredding a carrot, get shredded carrots, that's totally fine. Although shredded carrots, and along with other like pre-shredded veggies, it's gonna be drier. It's not gonna have a moistness. Moist. I know a lot of people don't like that word. Alright, so our carrots we're gonna put aside. Alright, now that our carrots are shredded, we're gonna go ahead and make the dressing for our mac salad. So we're gonna take good old Mr. Best Foods. And for Hawaiian mac salad, you gotta use Best Foods. You can't, I mean, I'm using light because I'm trying to be healthy, but Best Foods is the brand. So we're gonna go, some of that. And again, you can always add more later if needed. Grab apple cider vinegar, splash in there. Your sugar, just a pinch. And a bit of black pepper. Mix that up. Yeah. Alright, so we went ahead and drained and rinsed our pasta. Since it's gonna be a cold mac salad, we go ahead and rinse it with cold water so it stops the cooking process and allows the macaroni kind of stay in its little bouncy shape. Now that our pasta is rinsed and dried, we're gonna go ahead and make our mac salad. Combine just a little bit of carrot. We don't need too much. We'll start with that much first. Go with our dressing. Go ahead, stir that together. And make sure, always taste your food. Don't let your guests be your guinea pigs. Taste your food. Cool. I need more mayo. Alright, that's just where I like it. I'm gonna go ahead, saran wrap this bad boy, pop her in the fridge. Only gets better after sitting for a little bit in the fridge. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, now that our mac salad is done, we're gonna start with our shrimp portion. So with our shrimp, we need some garlic. So we're gonna go ahead and peel and chop a bunch of garlic. Hulk smash! Hulk smash! Garlic is nice and chopped up. Now let's go ahead and make our dredge for the shrimp. Starts off with some flour. Garlic powder, paprika, cayenne, and I like it spicy, so I'm gonna load on the cayenne. Onion powder. Go ahead and stir that together. Two more crucial things, salt and pepper, always. Dredge is done for our shrimp. We're gonna go ahead and grab our shrimp out of the fridge. Now you cook with any shrimp. You can work with shell on, shell off, tail on, tail off, whatever you wanna work with. Classic Hawaiian plated shrimp, you're gonna want full shell on. If you can get it deveined so it's at least clean, great. But you want that shell because you want that crunchy texture for the shrimp. However, the butcher today did not have shell on shrimp, so we're gonna be using shrimp that has tail on, but no shell. It's all good though. Work with what you got. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and take our shrimp and just plop it right in to the flour. Make sure when you're dredging that you dredge every part of the shrimp, tail included, backside, front side, from the back to the front, to the side to side. Make sure your shrimp is coated. All right, now that our shrimp is all dredged, we're ready to cook. So first, we're gonna go ahead and put our butter and oil in the pan. I'm using 4 tablespoons or a 1/4 cup of butter. We're gonna go medium high on this today. And I'm gonna mix in some extra virgin olive oil with our butter. Go ahead, let that guy melt. Sometimes, yeah, I like mixing butter and olive oil together because then you get a high smoking point as well as good flavor when it comes to the combination of the two. At least that's what Food Network tells me. So I'm gonna turn the fire down to about a medium. Before we cook our shrimp, I'm actually gonna cook our garlic first and then take the garlic back out. The reason why I do this is because I tried cooking the garlic with the shrimp the first time I made this and my garlic totally burned before my shrimp was even done. Now I like to do the garlic first. Helps infuse the garlic flavor into the butter and oil mixture. And then once I feel like my garlic is nice and soft, I'm gonna pull it out, then put the shrimp into it. I think the smell of butter and garlic might be one of my top favorite smells when it comes to food. Yeah. I'm gonna turn my fire off and I'm gonna get my garlic out. Got most of our garlic out. Some garlic is still left behind, but that's okay. Put that to the side. Turn our fire back on. And now we're gonna go high. We want the shrimp to cook quick. All right, our pan is hot. We're gonna go ahead and put in our shrimp. Get that sizzle. Okay, this is our last shrimp. All the shrimp's in. This is gonna be quick, like 30 seconds to a minute aside. All right, spin about a minute, and go ahead and flip. Turn off the heat. Let's fish out our shrimp. We're gonna take that garlic that we chopped and cooked earlier, plop it right back onto the shrimp. This way we got the flavor, but no burnt garlic. Well, except for that guy. That's fine. So usually you'll go with white rice, but we ran out, so we're going brown rice today. And here we have our homemade Hawaiian shrimp plate. Thanks for joining us. Now get out of my kitchen.